In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform image masking in Figma 2025. If you're eager to bring your design projects to life with precision and creativity, you're in for a treat. We'll walk through a straightforward process to enhance your skill set using Figma, a collaborative interface design tool that's highly favored among designers. First things first, let's open up your browser and head over to Figma's website. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a fantastic platform for designers looking to collaborate in real time on projects. It's like your digital canvas where creativity takes the lead. Once you've arrived at the website, you're going to need to log in. Click on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This will take you to your Figma dashboard where all your projects are a click away. Now that you're logged in, navigate your way to the Figma home. This section is essentially your hub, housing recent files and shared projects. It's a great place to quickly access any ongoing works or start new creations. From the home page, let's click on one of your design files to open it. Ensure you're in the design view where all the magic happens. The next step is to select the image you wish to mask. Simply click on the image within your design that you're aiming to enhance with masking. It's crucial to accurately select the right image to work with so that your results come out just as you envision them. With the image selected, your focus should shift to the right hand pane. Here you'll look for the Actions button and give it a click. This reveals a host of options that Figma offers to manipulate and tweak your design elements. Look for the option that says Use as Mask and select it. This action will apply the mask on your selected image, allowing you to create dynamic and visually appealing designs. Remember, the essence of masking in Figma is to make parts of your image visible through the shape of another object, creating artistic and professional effects. Experiment with different shapes and images to harness the full potential of this feature. Masking can create depth and focus in your designs, making it a skill worth mastering. And there you have it, you've successfully masked an image in Figma. Continue practicing this technique to refine your skills. Whether you're designing interfaces, preparing illustrations, or crafting marketing materials, image masking is a tool that can significantly elevate the aesthetics of your work. Thanks for tuning in to learn image masking in Figma 2025. Happy designing, and see you next time.